Good morning, this is Anthony with Niagara Sprinkler and Landscapes. Wanted to give a quick rundown and review on Irritrol's new 4-station timer. Just a quick how-to and set here. As you can see, the screen here has nice big numbers on it, which is something that customers ask us a lot for, but you can't get in a lot of different timers. So what I want to run through here with you is how to set the time and date. It's pretty simple. Plus to minus for this. Next, we'll take you over to AM, PM, month, day, and year. Fairly simple, plus and minus on that. You go to station run times. Again, plus and minus, very simple. Next, to go over to station number 2, 3, or 4. Program A, B, and C is also on here for the exact same setup. Start times, fairly simple again, nice big numbers on the display there so customers are easy to view. Watering days here, you go to next to go through your days. Plus will show you that it's not going to water on that day. So on this clock here, we have every day except for Wednesday. Okay, for manual run, you go to manual station here, plus however minutes you'd like on it, hit the next button, turn it back to home, and there you have your manual run on it. As we install these more, we will give more reviews on them. These timers are also capable of using an antenna, which is for a remote control, and they also have a master valve setup as well. So as we continue to use them, we will continue to give reviews on them. Hopefully this turns out to be a great clock. It is a 5-year warranty clock versus its competitor at 2 years.